Looking for the best step stools? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 step stools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, DMI Step Stool with Handle. Earns high marks for safety, thanks to the handrail and slip-resistant surface. Has rubber-coated feet and soft grip handle coating for added stability. Can also be used without the handrail. Despite some quirks, this is a versatile step stool that's perfect for most consumers who need the added security of an easy-to-grip handrail. Assembly is somewhat confusing and time-consuming. The 300 pounds weight rating is questionable. On the heavy side. At number 2. Acko 16-inch folding step stool. Super easy to fold, so you can tuck it away and forget it when it's not in use. 16 inches design provides more height than most one-step models. Has anti-slip dots and a carrying handle. Worth considering if you are looking for a single-step model that is higher than most and simple to fold and store. However, it's not the most durable option. A bit wobbly, so it's not likely to accommodate the advertised 330 pounds weight limit. At number 1. IKEA Bekvam Wooden Utility Step Stool. An attractive solid wood 2-step stool that's available in choice of 2 finishes. Has a handle that makes it easy to carry. Build is very sturdy. A well-made model that's crafted to last with styling that fits most home decor. This step stool is as good looking as it is practical. Takes up a bit of space to store. No slip-resistant coating. Assembly required. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.